Ravi Rai, do you think it can be a full-time occupation? Because I was just telling our viewers right now, many of them, even sitting MPs such as Kangana Ranaut, and coming and saying, this is not what I thought it would be. You have Suresh Gopi, who is saying that I had to return to films now. Viable career for an Abhineta is to be a Neta. Do you think there have been hits, both misses as well?
Good evening. Meghna, you just mentioned a few names, those who were actors, and they were not merely actors. I mean, the names that you took were superstars. I mean,
yes.
One name we missed was Rajesh Khanna. Nobody can be a bigger nobody.
Absolutely. Agreed.
When I say nobody, it is all over. Nobody can be a bigger star than Rajesh Khanna. But what happened to his political career? And I'm not saying. I mean, joining politics is human service, है ना? और वो किसी को भी, anybody can come forward. If you are a film star, if you are a cricketer, if you are a sports person, anybody who has a feeling to serve the nation, serve the people can come. It hardly matters if Vijay is coming or Amitabh Bachchan or, you know. But my only point there is, and let us not count all the failures, people, those who have failed. But I very strongly, Meghna, have one thing. People, those who come to meet you in your rallies as star, they see you as a superstar. But when they come to vote you, I mean, look at what happened to Prakash Raj. Only 28,000 votes to that man because they don't trust you as a leader there. And if you want to really, if you want to serve people, the moment you say, Ki, they've given me love, I want to return back the love to them. I mean, you're choosing politics where you may be just a small miniature sitting in the parliament and a minority. और आप जो चाहते हो अगर वो पास नहीं हुआ, आप कितना लंबा टाइम करोगे? So मेरा personal, I very strongly feel the industrialists, the superstars or the millionaires, those who want to serve, आप philanthropy करो ना आप politics में जा रहे हो बहुत narrow line हो जाती है. Just give me. Look at Sindhis and Parsis. They've never done politics ever. But look at all the schools and colleges and hospitals and institutions.
You think Vijay is better suited in that case for films, for philanthropy rather than politics, Ravi Rai?
No. I wish him all the best. I mean, I would very positively look at him maybe. But we've seen other actors also. We've seen all the other actors. Nobody except for Jaya Lalita ji and Pawan Kalyan.
NDR, yeah. But even Suresh Gopi, for that matter, Ravi Rai, Suresh Gopi is sitting Minister of State.
This discussion, my only point that I said is we can do a lot for people. You know,
fair enough.
From joining politics and carrying out rallies and expenditures, we can do a lot for people.
Fair enough. You can do a lot of people. You don't have to join politics to do a lot for people.
No, you don't have to.
And Ranjana, let me take that across to Ranjana. Very important point that Ravi Rai has made is that all those people today who are turning up to catch that glimpse of Vijay may not go during elections to vote for him. They agree that he is maybe one of the greatest stars that they have, but doesn't mean that he is the most experienced Neta that they want to vote for.
No. And comparing other actors with Vijay is not a proper thing. Actually,
how is Vijay different?
Vijay is something different, and he is not he doesn't have an option. He's not doing anything parallelly, like cinema one side and one side politics. He's quitting the cinema and coming to serve people as a full-timer. And this credibility to public life is something different. Vijay understood this clearly, and he's not doing this. This is not a gamble, right? This Vijay's decision is conscious, principled choice, and also it's with the commitment, responsibility, and also accountability.
We agree with you, Ranjana. Yes, Vijay is coming here with good intention to serve only the people, to enter as a full-time politician. But Ranjana, his critics have said that tomorrow, if he doesn't enjoy politics as he expected that he would, he'll just quit and go back to cinema. The world of cinematic experience would embrace Vijay if he wants to return tomorrow.
See, Vijay has decided to come to serve people not for the personal gain.
Okay.
It's an accountability, it's a responsibility. And sometimes the hardest goodbyes, you know, for the right reason, Vijay exiting from cinema is a little painful, emotional, but also it is necessary for Tamil Nadu. People of Tamil Nadu needs a leader and Vijay is the next hope. After MGR, people is giving lot of love and having lot of hope on Vijay. That's why people are welcoming wherever, not only in India now, even in other countries you can see.
Well, absolutely. We've seen the popularity that Vijay clearly enjoyed in Malaysia. Ravi Rai, what's your good advice to Vijay? Now, someone who says that you're happy that he's joined politics, many would say it's good to have a fresh view. Why not have fresh faces, a fresh viewpoint?
Yes. Absolutely, absolutely. We look forward to. You never know. I mean, this could be a very good change. I mean, there would be a great, not a politician, but a human, service in him. Very good. It's a. But we were discussing today the same thing. And losing, अगर राजेश खन्ना हार सकता है ना यहाँ पे इंडिया में. I mean, he lost to L.K. Advani.
Imagine Rajesh Khanna.
Rajesh Khanna. I mean, the fan following the man had. I mean, Meghna, you all were very small, but then people, those who go to vote, they would always have L.K. Advani. I mean, he was a politician since bloody 40, 50 years. So that, my only thing, and not that it's a blanket statement that I'm giving, no. I mean, I'm again very positively and looking at Vijay to come and make some changes for people. And it's for people. Forget any party. Forget BJP, Congress, or, I mean, people need good leaders today. We need
Very well
good
put.
leaders.
Very well put. People need good leaders. We hope that Vijay brings in, ushers in a new wave when it comes to politics. Ranjana Nachiyar as well as Ravi Rai, thank you so much for joining us. We'll have to wait and see if Vijay is going to be a big hit, like we have seen many others, like JJ Lalita and others, or will he be a big miss, as may be with Rajesh Khanna? We'll leave you, the voters, to decide. Without a short break, don't go anywhere.